Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start chapter 6 in class 9th and that chapter name is lines and angles. Before starting this chapter and before starting doing any sum, I want to state some properties which we will use in this chapter. The first property is adjacent angle. Adjacent angle. What are adjacent angles? So, a pair of angles such that it has first a common point and common vertex, we can say common vertex. Second, a common arc, and its non-common arc. What? Non-common arc are on either side, or you can say either side of common. So this is the whole definition of adjacent angle. So what are adjacent angles? Here angle 1 and angle 2 are the adjacent. Angle 1 adjacent to angle 2. Because these two angles, what these angles refer? Angle 1 refer angle COB and angle 2 refer angle AOB. Okay, if we want to see a common vertex in both angles, so O is the common vertex. If you want to take common vertex, so this O is common vertex for both angle 1 and angle 2. Now common arm. Which one is common arm? OB. These two properties may be equal in other pair of angle as like, but the third property may be unique. What? Non-common arm. So COB and AOB have two non-common arm, OC and OA. That must be either side. It means first off on right hand side and second one off on left hand side. This is called either side. Okay, as I am standing in between, I am a common arm. This one is non-common arm and this one is also non-common arm, and these arms are of either side, not in one side, not in other side. It must be on either side. Okay students, so this is referred as adjacent angle. This adjacent angle will be help you to state linear pair property. Which property this is going to state? Linear pair property. So you have to write this adjacent angle property also. After that I am going to write linear pair property. Now student, move to linear pair property. What is linear pair? And this property linear pair will help you to solve sums. Second one, linear pair. What is linear pair? A pair of adjacent angles will form a line O, A, B, C. A pair of adjacent angles whose non-common, what? Non-common arms is opposite rays. A pair of opposite rays. A pair of opposite rays. What that means? That means if you want to take adjacent pair, so this one is adjacent, yes. This is also going to refer adjacent pair. This one is angle 1, this one is angle 2. OC is common arm, O is common vertex, but not common arm for opposite rays. It means one is going to north, so second is going to east, south. If you take as like two opposite common rays as opposite, once again, if you take these two non-common are as opposite rays, it means opposite ray fall always 180 degree. So this is the real definition which is given in several books. But this one is proper. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. Why these make 180? Because OA and OD is opposite rays, and opposite rays always become a straight angle. So what is linear pair? When two angles have become 180, this one is very simple. But if you want to proper definition, the proper definition is a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common arm is opposite rays. Okay students, now I am going to switch this property. After this property, I am going to define vertical opposite angles. So what is vertically opposite angles? Vertically opposite angles. What is a pair of vertically opposite angles? If two lines intersect at a point, then four angles is formed. AB and CD are two lines, and where 2 is a point and four angles formed, the opposite angles are equal. A pair of opposite angles are equal. Single sign is equal to single sign and double sign is equal to double sign. It means angle AOC equal to angle BOD, and angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. So AOD equal to BOC and AOD equal to AOD equal to BOC and AOC equal to BOD. So these are two pair of vertically opposite angles. Okay, it is as like scissors. If you take a pair of scissors that will be intersect at a point, and when it forms, they will always make opposite angles equal. Okay. Now, by this property, you will solve exercise 6.1. So here I am going to solve exercise 6.1 for you. Exercise 6.1 has, how many questions? Exercise 6.1 has 6 questions, and here I am going to solve first, third, fourth and fifth. 4 questions I am going to solve for you. Okay student, and rest of you may solve on your own. First one. A, B is a line and CD is intersect is as line, and one more ray present on O. So it has OE and this one is referred to CD. Here the sum of two angles is given, AOC and BOE. Okay, so sum of two angles given. So firstly write given. In every sum of geometry we have to write given things. So angle AOC plus angle AOC plus angle BOE make together 70. And second thing, angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. You have to find, what you have to find? You have to find angle BOE and reflex of angle COD. So solve. Here we have to not prove. If we have to prove, then here we can write prove that, and we have to prove. But here we are going to find. So we are not supposed to write prove. So find. First of all, I am going to take these two angles. First one is that and second is that. And before that, I am going to take BOD equal to AOC. Angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. And this angle is equal to this given. I just put the point, so may give idea about which parts are equal. So angle AOC equal to angle BOD by vertically opposite angle. You are not supposed to write this short form. Only I am writing this shortcut terms. You have to write the full property. So what is the reason behind? Reason behind because these angles are not close angle. So angle AOC is 40. Now angle AOC plus angle BOE make together 70 degree. Why is it? So here we can put the value of AOC. So angle BOE equal to 70 minus 40. So it remains 30 degree. Which one is 30 degree? Angle BOE. So angle BOE is 30 degree. So here first thing we have to find BOE. It is founded. BOE is equal to 30 degree. Now reflex of COE. Firstly we have to find COE. So all angles, angle AOC plus angle BOC make together 180 by linear method. So AOC is of what? AOC plus BOC have to split into two parts. First angle COE and second angle BOE is equal to 180. Now AOC and BOE make together of 70 degree plus angle COE is equal to 180. Now angle COE is equal to 110 degree. By transposing the 70, this must be subtract from 180 and 110 is remained. So angle COE is equal to 110. After that we have to find reflex. How we find reflex? Angle COE. So subtract 110 from 360. What will be 250? So this one is our second part. Reflex of angle COE. So this one is going to our second part. So students, you can make this first number sum or solve this first number sum in your notebook, and which is a normal notebook. If you want to make this figure use of pencil along with your sum. Okay, on the right side you have to first make the figure, write the sum, okay, along with the figure, and then you have to solve. But figure must be with each and every sum of geometry. Okay students, now move to question number second. Take a screenshot of it if you want. Now move to question number second. In second number sum, ratio is given, and in class 9 you are able to solve that ratio part. There is no problem at all, so you can solve that thing. Now move to question number third, because question number second has numeral values and that can be solved by very easy method. Okay students. Now question number third, it's very important. Why it is important? Because it has two. Here a triangle is given. That triangle name is PQR, and two of the extreme angles produced by one side QR. The first angle is here and second angle is here. The first part is S and the second part is T. What is given? First of all, the part given. So given is angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Okay, and we have to prove what we have to prove. We have to prove angle PQS equal to angle PRT. PQS equal to PRT and P3 angle is equal to first. So how we prove that? It's very simple. No need to panic. First of all, these two angles form 180. Angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to 180. By which property? That linear pair. And this is supposed to be question number first. Now, these two also make 180. Angle PQ, not PQ, sorry, PRT plus angle PRQ equal to 180. By the same property, linear pair, and this is going to support the question in a second. Now, we are going to use exam number first, things which are equal to Here two things are given which is equal to the 180. So things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. So what we are supposed to write from equation first and second. I already told you exam not right along with the sum. So here I am saying exam by this property. If we take two things equal to one thing, that is example first. So write angle PQS plus angle PQR equal to angle PRT plus angle PRT. Already we knew that these two angles are equal. Which one? So here I have to have angle PQR equal to angle PRT. Why we have like that? Because these two parts are equal. This is the reason. So we can cancel these two PQR with PR. So I cancel both of them in first of in RHS and second is LHS. When we transfer on the other hand, it will subtract. So what it remains? It remains angle PQS equal to angle PRT. And here we have done some number third. And this one is a proof. So firstly write this proof. This is a very important sum. And all the sums which are given and what sum I have told you, all the sums are very important because all the sums state any geometrical and any geometrical idea and a new thing. Why I left question number second? Because that question you are able to solve in question in class 8th only. So why it is need to solve in class 9th? Okay students. Now in question number 4, this is also a proof. All the proof I will be solving. All the proof. Here what is this given? It is given. There is a angle, two angles made on first side and two angles made on the other side. Here two angles name as X and Y, and here two angles Z and W. So what is given? So given that X plus Y equal to W plus Z. What we have to do? We have to do that. What? A, B, O, C, and D. That we have to put that angle AOB or EOB is a line. We have to put that EOB is a line. So what we are supposed to do? We have to prove that two angles is form of linear pair. It is not given a straight line. We have to prove that this one is a straight line. So some student ask or some student may ask about it is given a straight line. Why we not use that? Because the question asks from your side, prove that this one is a straight line. So we cannot write it as a straight line. So how we prove that? So listen. It's very simple. First of all, X plus Y equal to W plus Z. Y is equal because given. Now, if we add all the parts X plus Y plus W plus Z, they form 360. Which property we are supposed to write? We are supposed to write angle around a point. Sum of angles around point is 360. Or we can say complete angle. Okay. Now here X plus Y and here W plus Z. At the place of W plus Z, we can write X plus Y. So here is X plus Y, and at the place of W plus Z, we also write X plus Y. What we have done? Just we substitute the value of X plus Y, or we put the value of X plus Y at the place of W plus Z. How many X are there? 2X. How many Y are here? 2Y equal to 360. What we can take common? We can take 2 as common. X plus Y equal to 360. When we divide it by 2, so it will become X plus Y equal to 180. And here we write a straight line. They form linear pair. Sum 1. So we can write AOB is a So they form linear pair 180. So AOB is a straight line. So I am going to revise it again. What this sum says to you: x y is equal to w plus z. We have to say that AOB is a line. So x plus y equal to w plus z. Prove that AOB is a line. Here is proof: x plus y equal to w plus z is given. So when we take all the parts together, it will become 360. So x plus y equal to w plus z. At the place of w plus z, you can write x plus y. Here 2x and 2y equal to 360. Take 2 as common, transpose this to other hand. When we divide that 360 by 2, it will become 180. It means they form linear pair 180. If a thing make linear pair, it means that it must be a line. So it is a line. Okay, students. Now we are going to move on question number 5th, and it is the most important sum. If you want to give anyone to solve a sum, you always give sum number 5th. So why teachers are not going? So teachers are also giving the same sum in your exam. It means question number 5th is very important regarding your final exam. Okay. So now question number 5th. Firstly, read that sum. I am going to give figure directly and prove that it's a very important and very useful sum for many concepts. Now in exercise 6.1. Now question number 5th of exercise 6.1. Actually geometry is a very important thing, and I am supposed to give every single information about that. So at the place of telling you some other thing, I am able. So some formulas are there. So don't panic about that. So given, what is given? Firstly, we have to write whole thing. PQ is a line. OS and OR are raised at point such that OR perpendicular to PQ. But OR perpendicular to PQ. To prove that, what is supposed to prove? We need to prove angle SRS equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Here, what the sum says? Sum says only one perpendicular is given, and you have to prove this one. This is the most important sum. Please pay attention on this sum. First of all, here, angle QOR plus angle POR is equal to 180. Okay, and we can write angle QOR as 90. So 90 plus angle POR is equal to 180. So angle POR is equal to 180 minus 90 become 90. Why we take QR as 90? Because OR perpendicular of P. So this one is 90. So the remaining part will also be 90. Okay. Angle POR 90 and angle QOR 90. Take angle QR 90. The sum of both angles are 180 by linear pair. By linear pair, one of them is 90. So we can say that the remaining part is also 90. Now, if we add these two parts, they become 90. So angle POS plus angle QOS, POS or RS, not QOS. So here we can take angle POS or angle RS. They form 90 degree. Because I stated UR is 90, so here we can write easily POS plus QOS is equal to 90. Okay, so this one is going to be our first equation. Now, when we subtract ROQ from P, if we subtract ROS from QOS, when we subtract this ROS from QOS, angle QOS minus angle ROS. See once again, QOS में से ROS subtract करना है. We are subtracting ROS from we subtract this part, only this part is remaining and this part is equal to 90. So we are getting 90. Now students, here I am going to apply the exam from equation first and second. Now you can easily observe that PUS ROS makes together 90 and QS minus ROS make 90. Means things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. Things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. So make these two things together. So angle POS plus angle ROS is equal to angle QS minus angle ROS. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove ROS. So taking ROS to one side and move all the things except ROS to the right. So this ROS when it comes to this side it becomes positive ROS plus angle ROS, and when we transfer this PS to the hand then QOS minus angle POS. Okay, how many ROS are there? There are two ROS. Two angle ROS is equal to angle QOS minus angle POS. When we transfer this to other hand, then it will become half of angle QOS minus angle POS. And this we supposed to prove. Angle ROS is equal to angle QOS minus angle POS. So I am going to tell you or define this sum again. What the sum says, that PQ is a line. So here PQ is a line. It will form 180 degree. OS and OR are away at point O. So it is given OR and OS are raised on point O. We have to prove ROS equal to this ROS equal to half of QOS minus POS. So what we do? Firstly we take QOR as 90 and QOR and POR make together 180 by linear pair. I already told you this one is a line. So when we put this 90 at the place of QOR, so remaining part POR is 90. Now after that, this POS and ROS make together 90. Why they make together 90? Because we already split that angle POR is 90. So it is 90. Now QS minus ROS, this one is QS and this one is ROS. When we subtract ROS from QS, this will again become 90. Okay, why? When we subtract this ROS, that means you have to hide this ROS from the QS. What remains? Only remain QR. Only QR is remaining. QR is already told you about 90, so it will become 90. Now if we take together these steps, though we can refer this one as example number first, things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. So here both parts are equal. Now transfer this ROS in the other hand. It will become 2 ROS. When we subtract this POS from the QS, it will become as like. When we transfer this to the other hand, it will become half of angle QS minus QS, and this we have to prove. Okay students, now here I have done question number 5 for you, and this is the most important sum of exercise component. If anybody asks you about the sums, then he will ask or she will ask question number 5th, question number 4th and question number 3rd, because all the 3 sums are of proof. Okay, now this exercise have only one sum left, question number 6, and you can do that sum by your own. So here 6 sums are there in this exercise. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have done question 1st, question 3rd, question 4th, question 5th. In these 3 sums are of proof, which is as like question number 3rd, 4th and 5th. Rest of part as like question number 2nd and question number 6. You can do it by your own. Now in today's video we have taught about 2 or 3 properties. First adjacent angle, second linear pair, third is vertically opposite angle, and all the sums are done by only these 3 properties. In sum number 4 I have used one more property about complete angle, but that property you already know about. Now the next part. In our next video we will study about parallel transversals and a set of parallel transversals, and after that we are going to solve a sum. So it is enough for today. Today I have done all 3 properties and all the exercise 6.1 for you. Okay students, so note all the questions in your general notebook which is of mathematics. No need to make another notebook for geometry. Okay students, but you have to paste all the figures along with the sums. Without figure, geometry is not be completed. So paste or made all the figure, and all the figure must be by pencil. Okay student, it is enough for today. I am going to conclude this video. In our next video we will teach about 6.2 exercise and their property. Thanks a lot. Take care.